Which apartment is it?
Hello. How you guys doing today? Michael in the house? Michael Green?
I don't know.
No? Who's in the house with you?
I wasn't even in the house. I just
You don't
came
live
from
here?
upstairs. I do live here, but I don't. It's I don't know.
You don't know?
Michael Green.
Can I go right there?
Yeah, I don't know Michael Green.
Okay.
Listen. If he's in there, you need to tell us.
I don't know a Michael Green.
Okay, who?
Michael Anthony Harris.
Hey, sir,
I don't
she
know
don't live
that
up.
name.
I mean, she
I
stayed
don't
up. The
know
girl,
that
the
name.
girl inside
I don't
up,
know.
a light skinned girl, and the dude that's with the gun. I
Okay.
think he ended up, or he just jumped out the
What?
window. I'm not sure.
Okay. Can you open this door for me, please?
His name is Michael Harris. They call him Michael Mike.
Mike.
Anna Mike.
Anna Mike.
Yep.
Let me get away from this door. Watch out. Step
I
back.
don't know Michael. It may be unlocked. I don't have my keys.
Are you giving me
She
permission to go?
do got a key.
I'm checking my keys.
Police department, show me your hands! Hands! Hands!
He's in that door.
Hands! Go! Hands! Go! Put the gun down!
Hands up!
Put your hands up!
Hands up! I'm hit.
All right, we got it. We got it. Hey, one of they told guys is hit. No!
Open that door!
Who else we got in here?
Hey, the woman that's screaming, you need to put your hands up right now and open that door.
Get back. Here, watch out.
Hey,
He's closing the door. That's me.
open the door right now. We're not gonna shoot you. Open the door.
Open the door. We're not going to shoot. Open the door.
He's in front of the door.
He's in front of the door.
He's not. Listen. Look, you're supposed to both my hands. You're supposed to both my hands.
Okay, I see your fingers. Shut the door open.
Listen.
Come to the side of my voice. Just come to the side of my voice. Follow me.
Okay.
All right, she's coming out. She's coming out. Come to me, sweetie. Come to me. Yeah, I got you. Come to me. Come to me.
Please don't shoot.
I'm not shooting. Come to me. Come to me. Get out the door. All right, right out the door. I'm coming out.
Out the door.
I'm coming out. Run. Yo, secure her. Secure her.
Where is he at? Who can see him?
She's down in front of the door.
Get out of the doorway.
Yesterday. God, listen to me. Please call the ambulance. Call the ambulance, please. Please call the ambulance.
Yeah, you good, boss?
Hey, I'm hit in the chest.
You want to back out of here?
Nah, no, I'm getting this.
Oh, we got them, boss.
Contact of a suspect description. Alright, he's in the back room blocking the door.
You got don't see anything from this side.
Show me your hands!
Shoot.
Son of a bitch.
Show me your hands right now!
Alright, they're both on.
Yeah, don't go to it, though.
Don't go to that window.
Hey, I need you to stack a bomb, you alright?
Alright, coming up.
Let's keep the radio chatter down for now, please.
You got gloves on you, boss? I can start right there.
No, I got no gloves on me. F this guy.
You okay?
I got hit in the chest. I'm good, man.
My man, come out here so we can get you help.
He's alright. I got this. Go. I got this.
Come out here so we can get help.
7 out of 21.
I got him out. He's coming out.
No, I'm hit in the chest.
Seriously? Where you at? Where you at?
For all three. Injured officer inside, injured officer outside, and suspect.
I'm alright, man.
10-4, you just secure that. That's 10-4 secure. Have them roll up, please.
I can't breathe.
He got hit in the chest.
All watch commanders aware. 10-4.
Can you put this in the car?
10 Bravo 55 Central coming off in. Yeah.
Wonder if this is no, you don't want to run it? All right. Let me get you strapped. No hole, brother.
No, oh,
No hole.
yes.
Pulling your shirt up. But a hell of a bruise. You're a lucky mother. You alright?
Doesn't look like he went through. So he's breathing and Jack.
Is anybody else hit or just you?
Hey, let me see your medical show. There's another big one.
What?
Your medical show?
What do you need?
He's the only one. I don't know.
Dead.
Here, buddy. How you doing? You're a bad bitch, man. I want you